our channel. Today we're going to be making a creamy mango frappuccino.
Today's recipe calls for milk, vanilla, sugar, frozen mango, vanilla bean ice cream.
Place your mango into the blender. Add your vanilla and sugar and milk.
Wow, that's really fruity.
Yes, tastes very tropical. Definitely tastes like mango. I love the color too, it's really pretty. If you do this, you can make it ombre.
It's exactly like the recipe that's going to be in the description, but we just added mango instead of strawberry because, well, it's such a pretty color and it's like the beginning of spring, so wanted to do mango.
Yeah.
But my sister has also had it with strawberry, and she said it was really good as well. So
Yeah.
I think you can basically substitute the strawberries for basically any fruit, and it would be amazing.
Muy bueno. Like you can do banana, cherry, pineapple. We were gonna do pineapple, but yeah, some other things happened. So yeah. Yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys try this, and yeah, it's really good. You can probably hear the birds chirping in the back, but that's just nature. Nature at its finest. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Comment down below how your recipe turned out, and if you enjoyed it, any questions or anything, just let us know. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. Cheers. The link will be in the description for the recipe, and also
What is also going to be told?
yeah. This is my sister Maria, if you didn't know.
This is my sister
Gertrude.
if you didn't know.
Yeah.